The room gets loud when I walk in slow. Every eye watching what I won't show. Silence heavier than a scream. Calm doesn't mean what you think it means. Pressure doesn't make me react. It shows me where I'm at. I used to swing when the air felt tight. Every stare felt like a fight. Every word like I needed defense. Every breath like a coincidence. Now I stand where the noise collapses. Let the loud ones show their fractures. I don't rush to fill the space. I don't scramble to win the race. I let tension build its weight. I let silence regulate. They expect a crack, a slip, a flare, but composure lives right here. Strength doesn't shout to feel alive. It stands still while storms collide. I don't need to prove control. I don't need to raise the tone. Every move is deliberate. Every pause fully owned. If the room wants confrontation, it won't get it from my throne. I don't need to raise my voice. I don't need to overplay. Every move a conscious choice. I let silence lead the way. I don't chase and I don't break. I don't bend for ego games. If you're searching for reaction, you won't find it in my name. I don't fight to feel important. I control the noise. No rush, fist spark, no blaze, no. Me step calm and not DA slow. Only but chat them loud and proud. Me stay cool while them crowd get loud. Me regulate them mental space. No wasted move, no frantic chase. Me vice low, but it carry weight. Me not bite up, passing bait. Behind the beat, me settle in. Me read the room before me spin. Them thing quiet, mean me frail, but discipline never fail. Me not play for prove me might. Me choose when to ignite. Come outside, fire train, me mind cool, me self-contained.
You mistake my stillness for retreat. You mistake my pause for doubt. But strength is knowing when to speak and knowing when to shut it out.
Still water run deep. Still water run deep. Still water run deep. Still water run deep. I don't need to raise my voice. I don't need to break the air. If you're waiting for explosion, you won't find it standing there. Every breath is calculated. Every word I let deploy. I don't react to feel alive. I control the noise, and when I choose to move, it's final. Not a play.
I've learned the cost of losing grip, of letting impulse slip.
Impulse loud, outcome short. Strategy win longer war.
I don't burn to prove I can.
Fire trained in steady hand, and I don't fold beneath the weight.
Calculate before me escalate.
This isn't fear.
Discipline clear.
This isn't hiding.
Station steering.
I'll stand still when rooms get loud. I don't perform to draw a crowd. I don't collapse beneath the stare. I don't overreact for air. I learned that calm can cut the deepest. I learned that silence speaks the clearest. I don't confuse chaos with my head. I don't need to start a fight. If pressure builds, I let it rise. I don't panic, I analyze. You can call or pour the voice, but I decide what gets deployed.
Quiet isn't empty.
It's intention, it's dimension, it's protection, it's precision. Then I share.